Wastewater Dan presents wastewater math, calculated with Excel spreadsheets. As a new service of ESDLT's Environmental Academy, environmentalacademy.com, today's example, calculate pounds of side stream suspended solids. Today's problem reads, the influent flow to a secondary treatment plant has a side stream flow of 0.97 mgd with 1,458 ppm suspended solids. Calculate the pounds per day of side stream suspended solids. So this is a poundage problem. And since we have flowing wastewater, I'm going to use the waste stream version of the poundage calculation formula, which has three elements. One element is fixed. That's the standard conversion factor from gallons to pounds, which is 8.34. And the next element is concentration, which is ppm. And ppm is used interchangeably with mg/L, which means milligrams per liter. ppm is parts per million. So the concentration is given to us in increments of millions as lab results. So the concentration is in increments of millions, and the answer needs to be in days. So because of all that, the gallons of water has got to be in increments of millions for a day. So we call that million gallons per day, MGD. And it just so happens that the flow is given to us in the problem as MGD. So the problem, the formula reads like this. Pounds per day of side stream solids equals flow in MGD times concentration in ppm times conversion factor. And therefore, the numbers as given to us in the problem can be inserted into the formula. So let's go down and look at an Excel spreadsheet, and let's just see how this would fit in a spreadsheet. So I would open up a blank spreadsheet. In cell A1, I would type the description of the answer, which is pounds of side stream suspended solids. I will put my cursor in A1, and I would set it, format it as numbers, 0 decimals, commas every 1,000, and then I would format it. Then I would set it as bold and centered. So then I would go into the cursor bar, or go into the formula bar with my cursor in A1, and I would type in this formula: equal sign, open parenthesis, 0.97, close parenthesis, multiplication, open parenthesis, 1,458, close parenthesis, multiplication, open parenthesis, 8.34, close parenthesis, and then I would press enter or the return key, and I would have 11,795 pounds of side stream suspended solids per day, which is our answer, 11,795. So I hope you found this video to be useful and helpful. If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also encourage you to participate and interact by commenting or submitting a question. You can do that by going to my website, environmentalacademy.com. You can fill out the email form, or you can send me an email to the email address on the website itself. I will be publishing these educational videos at least once weekly, so come back often. I thanks for listening, and hope to see you next time.